Welcome back to another video, and today with the latest Philips EVNIA display, which is a ultra-wide curved 34 inches QLED-QD panel that it's awesome for gamers, but also for those that want to use a display such as this for productivity. Now it has a QLED-QD display, 34 inches, 21:9 aspect ratio, and if you are looking for a 16:9 aspect ratio, then Philips, in my opinion, did a great job, and they also released one with 42 inches. Now I will leave a link down below so that you can check that out, just in case that you are looking for a display such as this one, but with a 16:9 aspect ratio. By the way, we are using Windows 11 right over here, and if you still haven't activated yours, don't forget to check out KeysFan, where you can find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can see on screen and down below in the video description, you will get an extra discount. This is a display with 165 Hz refresh rate, so it's targeted at gamers. I did play around with Forza Horizon 5, Overwatch 2, and also Battlefield 2142, and the experience was awesome. Actually, the time goes by, and sometimes I feel that I'm recording is just an excuse, because I was getting so immersed on the display that it's difficult to stop, but experience was awesome. I also tried with a few apps just opening on the screen like I do on my ultra wide on a daily basis. The experience was just awesome. Of course, mine is 49 inches, so it's a bit bigger, but this one 34. I do believe that it's the balance what we need on our daily basis. So in terms of the experience, both for gamers, enthusiasts, and someone that is looking for a display that looks really nice with a great design and wants to have a lot of windows open at a good size and good resolution, then this one is a great option. Now, having that said, in terms of the unboxing experience and the assembly, everything was really easy, straightforward. One person only can do this. Of course, we need to pay some attention and be careful with a display, but this is with any display, and the experience was really simple. There is something that I tried for the first time, which is this kind of stand. It has a mount that I haven't seen before. I'm not really sure if it's proprietary to Philips or not, but it works really well. It's easy to assemble, easy to remove, so really great. The arm is really sturdy, made of a metallic lead, and then the feet, which looks like a triangle, it's metal beneath and then plastic on the top, which has this white color, and it gives this really nice aggressive gaming appearance. It looks like a wow display, with the lack of a better word. The only thing that I do believe that they could do a little bit better would be on the cable management system. Although we have here at the back to put the cables, I would like to see them all passing through the middle of the arm, which was not possible with the DC cable. Other than that, then great. If we don't want to use it with the arm that comes in, Philips also includes an adapter which we can use to put on a VESA mount, and then we can put it on the wall, which is a great option as well. And being this one different way of assembling it, it's great to see that Philips was careful enough to put in that extra accessory so that we can put it on a wall if we want to. In terms of the design, I think I already mentioned everything. It looks, in my opinion, of course, a bit aggressive, a bit on the gaming side. It has these LEDs here at the back. Now the LEDs we can customize on the menu, and it's not just a simple LED. We have the options for ambiglow, for example, which we will be able to have the same colors according to the music that we have or according to the image that we have on screen, which is something that it's not possible on just any LEDs. We have seen some LEDs with ambiglow which have a higher technology, and this is what we will find right over here at the back. We will be able to have simple preset of colors like just static blue or breathing, or more complex ones. In terms of the bezels, they are not the thinnest that we have seen, they're not the largest. I do believe that they are balanced, and then here on the bottom we have the chin with EVNIA on one side and Philips on the other side. So overall the design looks really nice in my opinion. Of course, colors and the curvature, this will depend on our personal taste, but that is something that I will leave to you. Now, 34 inches with a resolution of 3440 by 1440 with HDR True Black 400 and 165 Hz refresh rate, which is perfect for gamers. Now it has a panel which is QLED-QD. This is the first panel that we see with this technology right over here on the channel, and it's just awesome. If you haven't heard of QLED-QD, and if you search around, you will find that the technology is just that the quantum dots are so small that it will be able to transmit a better color accuracy, because the smaller is the LED, the more LEDs we have and more colors we have available to reproduce something that even really close, it's impossible to see the pixels and impossible to see the dispersions of colors. Just looking at all the picture like this, it's just an awesome experience. I was talking about gaming and I was talking about productivity, but if we want to take a look at some footage, if we want to take a look at some multimedia content on a display such as this, is just a pleasure. So I would say that besides gaming, besides productivity, if we want to enjoy Netflix sessions, cinema sessions, we will be able to do without any issues whatsoever. In terms of inputs, we will find two HDMI 2.0, one DisplayPort 1.4, one USB Type-C, which will carry video, data and energy, and we also have a USB hub, which will work as a KVM if we want to, and it has a USB Type B with 4 USB Type A's with USB 3.2 Generation 1. Menu-wise, it's simple, easy to use, but at the same time it has a lot of options, so we will not be limited by the options on the display. We will need to take some time to take a look at it and see everything that we have available, since the presets and the overall options of the image brightness, contrast and so on and so forth. So a really complete menu that we will be able to adjust on the joystick that we have here on the back. And if I've forgotten any detail, which is really possible, I will leave a link down below so that you can check it out. In my opinion, this display is really intended for the enthusiast that is looking for a ultra wide display with a 21:9 aspect ratio that will take advantage of all the content that we have, not only on gaming but multimedia as well, and want this kind of technology on a panel, QLED-QD, that will give us a better color reproduction and at the end of the day a better immersion. But this is also associated with the curved display 1800R, which will give us this close up, and we will be immersed with all these features that the display has. That being said, I'm going to shut up. Link down below. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video and hope that you enjoyed to know a little bit better of the latest Philips EVNIA right over here. If you did, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.